Hi there, welcome to this amazing masterclass that is vibe coding for beginners. I am Sheikh Saifullah. With the past 1 year of experience as an AI prompt engineer, I have found these amazing AI tools in which it helps me to build the amazing solutions. It can be a web app, it can be a sales landing page, it can be a website just by describing my requirements in the form of prompt without relying on the developers or coding. So if you are the developer or the non-programmers, so this course is going to be amazing for you. Okay, so vibe coding is nothing but designing any solutions by describing your requirements. Okay, so for example, if you are looking to create a website web app and you are looking to turn your idea into reality within a few minutes or without hiring developers and wasting time coding tools, so you can use this vibe coding to build the amazing solutions by using AI without writing the single line of code. Okay, so in this masterclass you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT and Lovable.dev, Bold.new, Stitch, and other AI tools to create the amazing web apps and website and landing page for your product and services to create within few minutes without hiring a developers, without knowing the knowledge of coding. You can easily create the amazing solutions by just describing your prompt, okay, here, and you can develop such more and beautiful, attractive, amazing designs after this course by using Lovable.dev and Bold.new and other AI tools as well. Okay, so in this course we are going to learn so how we can use this particular AI tools, that is Lovable.bold.new, to create the amazing websites, web apps, and landing page without depending on others developers or without wasting your time. You can create by describing your requirements in the form of prompt in the plain English. Okay, that is simple. So after this course you have the ability to create any solution, that is it can be a web app, it can be a website, it can be a landing page. You have the ability to create the amazing websites within few minutes without wasting the time in code and without hiring a developer and without paying to someone to create these amazing solutions by yourself. Okay, if you don't have any coding language, you easily you can join this masterclass to master vibe coding, to master these tools in order to create the amazing websites within few minutes instead of wasting the time, okay, on the coding. That is, this is for the beginner and nobody else want any experience for this vibe coding. Okay, it is for everyone and it can help you to save a lot of time and to create the amazing websites, web apps for yourself, and you can turn your app idea into reality without just relying on developers. Even if you don't know how to write the prompts for creating the web apps and landing page, I'm going to provide the exact prompt templates you need in order to create and develop web apps, landing page, and website for yourself. So these prompt templates can be editable according to your requirements. Okay, we will dive into for the basic introduction. So what is code vibe coding is? Okay, let's dive into that. So what is the actual meaning of vibe coding is? So vibe coding is nothing but it is a software development that heavily relies on AI, particularly LLMs. Okay, that is large language models like ChatGPT or other things. Okay, to generate code based on natural language prompts. So what happening here? So instead of writing the code by yourself to build any website, any web apps, right? So instead of writing the code by yourself, you can write in the natural language text format. Okay, that is called an prompt. You can describe what design you want. Okay, what functionality you are looking to include in that website or web app. Okay, based upon your instructions and prompts, it generate the code and as well as the design of your website or web app. That is simple. Okay, the vibe coding is nothing but instead of writing the code by yourself, the AI will write the code for you based upon your prompts. Prompts is nothing but writing your requirements, describing your design, web app design or website design that you are looking to build by using AI tools like Lovable.dev and Bolt and other AI tools as well to generate amazing websites or web apps by describing your requirements in the form of prompt in the AI tools. That is simple how we can uh, understand this vibe coding is. Okay, so what is the uses of this particular vibe coding in this AI's world? So this method allows developers and even non-programmers to create functional applications by describing their desired outcome in plain English, with the AI handling the task of the writing the actual code. So this is the amazing time saving AI tools and technology in which we are going to use our prompts. Okay, prompts means nothing but your requirements and describing your design functionalities and all those things in the form of text in the plain English. Okay, you can write it and it will automatically write the code based upon your prompt and requirements, and it will design the web app or website very effectively and easily without wasting any time. Okay, so this method allows developers. Okay, so right now if you have already developer or the even if you don't know anything about coding, so you can create the websites very easily and fastly without hiring the developers or even reliance on the other friends or any members to create the website or web app. Okay, you can create the by yourself, you can learn it, and you can create amazing solutions by using vibe coding in this AI's world. Okay, so if you are a developer or the non-programmers, it can easily help you to create the applications very easily. Okay, by just describing your desired outcome. Okay, in the plain English. Okay, that is simple. For just an example, I will show to understand better thing. So I will go to the lovable.dev. Okay, it is a tool we can create something websites or web apps by just describing it. Okay, so just to go, so I will show the each and everything in the next section, but for the understanding purpose we are here the lovable.com and we will write simple create a website. Okay, we can take anything, create a blog website for technology niche. So this is our requirements. Okay, it is a prompt, right? So when we give to this particular lovable.dev AI tool, now it will start creating the website for our requirements. According to this prompt, it will generate the code as well, and it will automatically create the website for us. Okay, it is based upon your prompt, it will create all those things. Okay, you can see I will create a modern beautiful technology blog website, right, with a clean design, responsive layout, all those things. So it is a prompt, right? Now it is writing the code by itself. Okay, this is called an vibe coding. Okay, instead of writing the code by yourself, you are writing the prompt here. Okay, it is a prompt and it will writing the code by itself. Okay, by AI itself, which is called an vibe coding. Okay, so the AI is taking the code handling, right? It will handle the all the code to create the amazing solution for you. Okay, let's see how the things will show. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes and we'll see what happens here. Okay, right? So you can see it is created the stunning technology blog website with our requirements. This is up to our prompt. Okay, you can see here. So it is few features are hero section, navigation, header, okay, featured articles, category grid. So it is all the things that AI has created for us. Now you can see it is a preview section. So this is our blog website for the technological purpose. Now you can see this is a simple blog website. You can use it for your blogs, all those things. Okay, we have used a simple prompt to create the amazing website. Okay, to automate all those things, right? Now you can see this is the front end code, right? It looks like better, right? So you can do these things by simply just giving here. Okay, this is the design. You can see the code here. Just come to this is the code. Okay, this code is written by the AI according to your requirements and prompt. Okay, it is handle all the required code by itself. You can see here, even if you don't know about coding, you can create something very amazing websites or web apps by yourself by just describing here. Okay, this is called a simple what is an vibe coding is, right? And you can create so many things with the lovable.dev and other AI tools as well. So in the next section, I am going to show how you can create the sales landing page for your product and services. Okay, with by using lovable.dev, bold.new, and I will show some free ways to create all those things by yourself. Okay, so let's jump into that session.